So welcome back to our video. So we're playing on a lifestyle SMP block buy and we're just grinding on it. So watch the video and subscribe to my channel because we're getting closer to hit 100 subscribers. Thank you very much for supporting my channel.